Hi everyone, this is Tech Awesome here with a new episode like no other. It is our dual breadboard project today, and it's gonna be amazing. This is not a follow along, this is just a project I'm doing by myself, and this uses a bunch of resistors and LEDs. I equipped 2 RGB and a power supply here with the battery on. And of course, the most famous part, the Arduino. And this is my first video about Arduino here. And so let's make it. So this circuit may need some experimenting, so let's see how it works out. So I'm gonna get my power supply here and I'll get some wires. I got 2 big dumps of wires here. And so I'm gonna get one jumper wire. Oh, this one's wrong. And finding jumper wires is usually a hard thing to do, so you maybe have to be careful with finding the right ones. And sometimes it could get pretty frustrating. Okay, here it is. So I'm gonna connect it. Alright. Zoom in for this project. And you can see closely. Okay, fine. Okay. So I'm connecting this blue wire to the plus right here. Alright, now it's good. Having a tough time doing zoomed in views. Alright. Now it's good. So we can connect it to 5 volts. Maybe here. Why do I not attach it straight? It will just affect all of the other circuitry, and so it won't look so neat. And so 5 volts will still, as usual, as everyone knows, go back to 5 volts on the Arduino, which I'll block your view for some time. Alright, here it is, current. And then we're gonna attach the ground. And so, the ground will be another one of those cables you see here. Alright, I'm finding one right now. So, okay. Here it comes. And just to make the video shorter, I'll pause it. Now, time for a plug into the Arduino. We will do ground. And it will connect right here. So let's see if it lights up. Yes, it powers up the Arduino, and that's amazing. Alright, why do I do it like this setup? Because I want people to connect to this USB connector right here, and so that will be way more convenient than this guy right here. It's pretty bulky, so I don't really like it. Okay. So now we're continuing with the build. We're gonna start to get some wiring up here. And since our Arduino trigger switch is working here, not so nice. But at least it is working. You see, I can power on and off the Arduino from that little switch right there. Here, I'll give you another test. You see? That's cool, right? Now it's time to get the LEDs on, and everybody knows how to get one on. I'll first do the RGB guys. Those are the bigger, bulkier guys. And I got a resistor here. I'm gonna do a resistor test right now. And so I'm gonna do it with one of these smaller LEDs. And I'm not too sure it could work, but let's check it out. So I'm gonna skip right to the results. Alright, now welcome back. We're gonna test it. Yes, it works perfectly. We're gonna uproot this, and now time to work with our RGB. So I gotta be careful of ground. And so first thing I have to do is document where ground is. And I'm gonna put it on a pin that is numbered so that I can keep track. Oh, fine. I'm gonna do it on the top breadboard since the light show is gonna be on 2 breadboards. I'm gonna So I have a lot of space and I want it to be almost symmetrical. So I'm gonna do it on the top breadboard, not on the bottom. Ooh. Uh-oh. Luckily we didn't break it. Yeah, I hope so we didn't. Sorry guys. Intermission. There's always intermission going on here. Alright, here we go. We plugged it in after like 1 minute of terrible plugging. Alright, so I'm gonna plug the resistor very shortly to the next column. That'll go right from here straight to a pin on the Arduino, which in this case I'm gonna pick 13. Always my fan. Alright, and now time to plug in another pin, and I don't know where. Oh yeah, it's the next pin. Oh my holy, now I'll have to plug this in all over again. Alright, it did it pretty quickly, and now it's 1 minute. And so I am going to plug this into ground. And after this, I'll just skip forward to all the little LEDs on this board, so we won't have to worry about all of them getting the video longer and longer. And I'm just going to different columns here. And since this is a live build, I'm just gonna, and it's not certainly live, it's just gonna take some more time here. Yeah, I need a little bit longer of a jumper wire. Once the jumper wire is found, I could start to connect all of the main connections here. Alright, here it is. A good length of a jumper. Oh yeah, we already did that. So now it looks like we need a resistor. Here it is. Oh my goodness, these things are getting real messy here. I'm gonna push these aside to see my diagrams here. Yeah, that means I already need to plug this one here, and that will go from a pin here. Yeah, this black wire to the Arduino, and you can't really see it. Alright, it's 8 minutes now. I'll do all of the other stuff on my own, and I will give you a time-lapse photography. That looks pretty cool, huh? So now let's see what happens. Do I have pre-code installed? No. Yeah. Okay, time-lapse time. LED test for now. Maybe. Oh darn. Let's see. Will it work now? Okay, maybe not. I'm joking. Another notice is this battery is almost running out of battery. And so I'm gonna change this with another USB adapter soon enough. So I'm gonna attach the first LED now. No more talking. And you could have shouted at me because I literally didn't power the connections to there, so I'm still powering the connections there, and so I don't have any energy there, and that's why the LED didn't light up. No energy. That's so dud. Haha. Anyways, I'm still connecting gracefully. This wire's broken. I break wires all the time for some reason. One LED, now 2 LEDs. And so the first breadboard is done, and that's all for the video. And so we're gonna program it and see if it can work. And for this, I'm just gonna power it by the main USB source, the bulky cable. You can hear it click on. And it's running at full power, and I maybe gotta move my camera a bit so that maybe, yeah. Let's just leave it like this, and we'll do some adjustments soon. So this thing shouldn't be on, and it's already on. So, and when I unplug it, it's still on. That means our power is running fully, and we're ready to go on the LEDs. So let's do a program. And I'm not gonna show you the program right now, okay? Now testing a sample code. Let's see how well it does. We have no response on the Arduino. It's weird. Oh, that's why. Okay, code error, and now we're uploading it again and observe. It should succeed by now, and let's see. Is it doing anything? I feel like it isn't doing anything. So I'm gonna write some more code right now. Let's check. Again, it may be that ground isn't connected, and that is really dud. And can't say why, I always forget these things, but let's do it in a short amount of time for this video. Oh, now it's starting. I may have the wrong pins plugged in, so excuse me if oh my goodness, it's so bright. I'm gonna upload it again to see how the LED really acts. All right, it's now compelling it. All right. Oh my holy, what's happening? I think there's been a color mixing here. The first pin goes to red, I guess. Yeah, and now, I don't know why it's mixing so weirdly, but I hope I didn't plug my pins wrong. Let me see. Yes, so green LED must be blue LED, so let's see. I'm now the electrician. All right, here it is. Oh my holy, what's happening? What does this pin do? Oh, I see. Didn't I say pin 12 accidentally one time? I don't know, this is weird. All right, I'm pausing the video for now. I'm still experimenting with this. Hey guys, it's nighttime now in the evening. And so I finally figured this problem out in the afternoon. My video cut off, so I cannot do it there. But let's see our effects on our first breadboard. Oh my goodness. It still has some color mixing, but I feel like I could change that for a bit. And it's maybe because of light transfer, but look at this. In the night, you see it so clearly. And the next part, we will add a more epic second stage. Yeah. And let's try to shut this thing off with this switch. Oh, maybe not, it couldn't work. But I hope so in the future. I can add some more power here. Maybe not. so I could close down the battery power and all that stuff. It looks pretty cool. So I love this. This is awesome. Let's try coding some more like next video. But this is already really good. Looks awesome. Alright, stop the voltage. Alright, I'm back, guys. So now for the video ending. This is an awesome project. I could say that the first part went especially well. And there's one last thing I want to test, battery power. Oh, maybe not that then. This is so funny. That may be a good ending though. But this is it, guys. An awesome light show circuit here right in front of our eyes. Thank you for watching, and as always, we get to the final illuminated ending. Thank you for visiting Tech Awesome's awesome videos every Saturday here at Tech Awesome on YouTube. We're gonna open our new website soon, so check out for that in the links, and hope you have a nice day.